They go shopping.
They go shopping.
I water the flowers.
I water the flowers.
He plays guitar.
He plays guitar.
He is learning German.
He is learning German.
We bake a cake.
We bake a cake.
I go to the park.
I go to the park.
You take out the trash.
You take out the trash.
He repairs the bike.
He repairs the bike.
She irons the clothes.
She irons the clothes.
I make the bed.
I make the bed.
He drinks tea.
He drinks tea.
She reads the newspaper.
She reads the newspaper.
We go to the cinema.
We go to the cinema.
They clean the windows.
They clean the windows.
You go swimming.
You go swimming.
He orders food.
He orders food.
They ride bicycles.
They ride bicycles.
He goes to the gym.
He goes to the gym.
We are watching a movie.
We are watching a movie.
He goes for a walk.
He goes for a walk.
They cook pasta.
They cook pasta.
You go shopping.
You go shopping.
We go to the library.
We go to the library.
He washes the car.
He washes the car.
He washes his car on Saturdays. He washes his car on Saturdays. They close the shop at 8 p.m. They close the shop at 8 p.m. I carry a bag to school. I carry a bag to school. He sells bread at the bakery. He sells bread at the bakery. We wait for the bus at the station. We wait for the bus at the station. I pack my bag for school. I pack my bag for school. We call a taxi in the evening. We call a taxi in the evening. I write a letter to my friend. I write a letter to my friend. He opens the door for his friend. He opens the door for his friend. We take pictures at the park. We take pictures at the park. They cook pasta for dinner. They cook pasta for dinner. He washes the dishes after dinner. He washes the dishes after dinner. We organize a party for our friend. We organize a party for our friend. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. He watches a football match. He watches a football match. She travels by train to Berlin. She travels by train to Berlin. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. He goes to work by bus. He goes to work by bus. They read books in the evening. They read books in the evening. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I prepare breakfast in the kitchen. I prepare breakfast in the kitchen. She sings while cooking dinner. She sings while cooking dinner. I clean my room every weekend. I clean my room every weekend. I play football on Sundays. I play football on Sundays. She studies English every day. She studies English every day. He watches TV in the evening. He watches TV in the evening. She drives to the supermarket. She drives to the supermarket. She writes a letter.
She writes a letter.
We cook dinner.
We cook dinner.
You eat together.
You eat together.
They go to sleep.
They go to sleep.
I clean the apartment.
I clean the apartment.
You do the laundry.
You do the laundry.
He buys vegetables.
He buys vegetables.
You play football.
You play football.